going to join the event in Team Boyo. Ang haba. Mga kasama ko. Hello guys. Yes, ito yung mga kasama ko. Nag-picture sila. Tapos tama nag-picture. This is the view. May kuan. Blooming to here. Saan yung pangalan ko? Wala. Wala pong pangalan. Amen. Napagod na po ang everyone. Nag-upo na po kami. Napagod na si video to video. Video. I-edit ko pa. Yun. Napagod na pa. Copa de Cava de Benvini. Table. Wag na. Ito na po ang table 10. Pagod kami sa kakasayaw. Iba yung nag-start. Pero sumayaw na kami. Ang aming auditor. The waitress.
To present to you the officers of Team Puyog de Ilocano, Barcelona. Starting off with the Special Guards of Honor headed by our very own President, President Rogelio Arafanan. President of Viva, Sir Mark Dexter Alcaria, Seaman First Class, Philippine Navy. Aplausos. Our press-oriented officers, Irene Cabotaje, and Assistant PRO, Edita Tubos. You said hello. managers Lilibet Capella, Jovita Agustin, and Dordelisa Vincent. Nanay in charge Esmeña Peralta and assistant in charge Dolores Ramonet.
Your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. So let us invite God sa akin pong in our midst to be with us, because according to Psalms 24, the Lord is the earth is the Lord's and everything that is in it, including us, mga kapatid. So thank God for the life and for the strength for this body that God had given us. So ibalik.
Smile.